Hello everyone, my name is Arifin Akasha. Today I would like to present you my individual assignment 1 for the real-time programming. So as we can see, lecture requires us to develop a system for using Maven and Java programming language. So the system should be able to read the data from the table of our website. So we can refer this link and find the trivia table. So we are going to find the trivia table. Okay, we found it. So this is the trivia table. So we are going to read this table and display it on the Java Maven using Maven. And then we require to convert the data from the table to the Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's proceed with the coding part first. Okay, before we start the coding, so we must install the dependencies first. The first dependencies is JSON, and this one is the Apache POI. Okay, so as we can see, the JSON require us to read the table from the website, and this Apache POI is using we use that to convert the Java element data to Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is my class. Okay, for read and write file, I use a different method, which the first one is read data. So as you can see, we declare the connections to the website. So before I explain more about this connection, so I declare the global means used for all the class. So it's all I listed here. So this is the release data entry, and this is the link for our sources, and this is my thread number. The numbers our thread will delay. Okay, back to this. Okay, first when we stated the connection link, then we may proceed with the find the element part. So in this element part, we need to locate the table name using the inspect element. So you can see here. So do the back. As you can see, this is the class here to call the trivia, and here. So in the T body part, there are all of these functions. So as we can see in the TR align, we have Ibu Negara, and in the TD part, we have the title, which is Kuala Lumpur. So we are going to extract all of these information into the Java. Okay, back to our coding part. Okay, so I'm using this TR align, and then find the row for TH and TD for the element info. Okay, then this is how I add the data. I'm using the list to add the data, and this is the used to print the data from the website. Okay, once display, I put it success to read the data. Okay, this once we have any error occurs, we will bring the stack trace. So next, the write data. So the one is we read the data, and this one is write data. So in this write data, I will use this workbook to to create the Excel file. We require to use this, and this I will create the sheet name. Later I will show you the sheet name is what. Okay, this is I'm using the for loop, and same method. Then I will have already create the table info. So this will hold the using an object oriented programming. So these are the title, info, and everything regarding the table. So back to this part. Okay, so we have create the row and all the data stored in the book. In data stored in the data entry will be displayed here and will be called again. So here I display the part, and here is the most important part, which once I have get the data, and it will create the Excel trivia dot format XLXX XLXX. So it will create this file and store everything in the Excel file regarding the instruction that I give to the program. So once done, to flash and close. So display that the file is successfully written on the disk, and same. We will use the try and cache. Any error, it will display what kind of error. So last but not least, I'm using this Open Excel. So once it has undergoing the process, the first one is read data and write data, and then it will automatically open the file if success. So it will open it, my recently created file, the Excel trigger. I didn't put any path name because I wanted to create it on my root directory. So here is will be create data will be created in this section spot in this here. Okay, then same. Okay, so this is my main method. So I will call it here. I'm using the thread to delay the every every class I call. So in case so they have not really means have a deletion, so that the data display will not be overlapping each other. Okay, here, so I will run the code. Okay, let's run the code first. Okay, so now I will run the program. Okay, as you can see, we read the data from the Wikipedia and displayed it here, and that successfully read the data, writing the data to the cell, and it's written successfully, and it will automatically open the file. So here is the data collected on the website. Okay, so for the table, I will be using this sheet auto size column, so that the sheets will be the size of the column will automatically size depend on we follow the words. Okay, as we can see, there is Excel trivia file created here. Next, I will show the UML, my UML class, UML class diagram. Okay, this one is okay. You can see here. Here is my UML class diagram. Okay. Hopefully it helps you to understand how do we read and write the data which is collected from the website and convert it to the Excel part. So thank you. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys.